This got halted, but here's how we're gonna catch it. We're gonna be right at 522. Perfect. Had this stop loss fucking perfect, and we're halted to the upside, baby. Boom. So this trade right here was on a penny stock that was breaking out, and it halted right in the middle of a breakout. And this is where most traders panic. But I come through like a Superman with his cape on, coming to save the day. I want you to watch me coach my one-on-one student live on how to handle this halt, how to handle risk management, and how to ultimately lock in profits. If you're tired of guessing in these situations, I backtested 2,500 plus penny stock breakouts to find what truly works in this market. And I just took on 4 new students this week. I'm looking to take on maybe 2 or 3 more guys. When you work with me, you work with me one-on-one. I don't put you off on any assistant. Here soon, I am going to be at capacity. If you guys are interested in becoming my one-on-one student so you can get one-on-one sessions just like this video, make sure you click the links down below, send me a DM on IG or on Facebook, and I'll see if you guys are a good fit. Enjoy the video. What you're going to do is go over to trade, go to buy, limit, okay? And then you're going to put in the dollar amount instead of 100% quantity. We don't want to do 100%.
Okay.
We want to do dollar, and then go in with like your normal position size.
Okay, it's 100.
Okay, perfect. And then from there for price, let me take a look at the order too and see where we can possibly get in at. There's a lot of buying at 7. I want you to put $7.50. Turn off the stop loss and take profit. It's not going to let you turn that on. It's worth a try. Now hit buy PCSA. Okay, there you go. You see your buy orders at 750 right now. So as long as this stock opens up below 750, all right, it's going to fill your order, but it's going to fill you at the best possible price. All right, it doesn't mean you're going to get in at 750. All right, it just means that we got an order in, and when this thing opens, as long as it opens below 750, then it's going to fill your order. Okay, so we want to get in as soon as this bad boy opens, which hopefully is going to open here. It got halted. If you click on quotes, you can see the time that it got halted.
Okay.
All right, you see right underneath $5.94, it says halt, and then it says 952, or for you, it says 852, right?
Yeah, 852. Yeah.
Typically, they're going to be 5-minute halts. So probably this is going to get unhalted at 857. Yeah, for you, 850. Fucking time difference is throwing me off. So 857, which should be in 2 minutes. If it doesn't unhalt here in 2 minutes, then probably what's going to happen is it'll be a 10-minute halt. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So let me actually pull up the dashboard here really quick and let me take a look at what the best take profit is, because these halt specials, man, sometimes they run big, brother. They run big.
Right.
Yeah. So we might be able to catch a banger on this one. Bare minimum, we're not gonna. I mean, unless this ends up being a loser, 100%. This could be a loser. All right, it's not 100%. All right, so let's see how this looks. Probably what's going to happen is this is going to open up, right? And then it's probably going to halt again. I can already kind of tell that this looks like one of those stocks that are just going to halt. This could be a big mover for us, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. Let's keep the expectations low here, and if we end up hitting a banger, then that's great. If we end up getting 10%, that's great. And if it ends up being a loser, it is what it is. This is the right setup to play. This is the type of setup that no matter what happens, you got to take every single one of these trades, because this is a winning, profitable strategy. Okay.
All right. What makes the stocks keep halting, man?
I mean, basically, there's a lopsided amount of buy orders compared to sell orders. There's way more buying than selling. So the reason that they give you is that the market makers need to halt the stock so they can match up buy orders with sell orders. So when a stock moves too fast in one direction, the market makers halt it. They stop the trading so they can match buy orders and sell orders.
Okay, now I understand. Because every time I see the stocks, move really fast, they keep halting.
Yeah. Let me take a look at the order book and see where most of the buy orders are at.
Okay.
Looks like we're probably going to open up close to $7. So should be no problem getting our order filled. There is currently more buying than there is selling, which is good. That's a good sign on the order book. But it doesn't give the full picture, so we'll have to see.
Yeah, 3,977 at $8.
Oh, yeah. Okay, you got your order book pulled up. I was like, yeah. So 3,977 shares at $8. But if you scroll down, you'll see
Okay.
that there's 14,000 buy orders at
Ah,
7.
right here.
There's more buying at 7 than there is at 8, which
Ah,
means
okay.
that more than likely, and if you scroll down even more, there's also 14,000 shares to be bought at 650. So more than likely, we're going to open up very close to 650. In
Alright.
between 650 and 7. All right, so this one definitely looks like it's going to be a 10-minute halt. So we probably got 3 more minutes until this bad boy is unhalted. Best take profit for this one by the numbers is just see how much we can get. So now what we want to do is just kind of identify probably where our stop loss is going to be. I'm going to make an assumption that we're probably going to get filled somewhere at around 650. If we get filled at 650, a 20% stop loss is going to put our stop loss down at 522. So what I'm going to do is just put a horizontal line across 522 right now because we're not able to put in a stop loss just yet. That's going to be my mental stop loss just in case this thing turns around pretty quick. All right.
522.
Yeah, 522. Let's put a red line there at 522. And that's going to kind of be my mental stop loss. For now, I'm going to have to adjust that according to where we get filled at. Let's go, baby. Unhalt for us. Should be one more minute. All right. It should unhalt here anytime within the next 60 seconds.
There.
Oh, there it goes. There it goes. All right. Where'd you get filled at?
624. I mean,
Six
653.
653. All right, perfect. So 653. Same for me. We're gonna be right at 522. Perfect. Had this stop loss fucking perfect, and we're holding to the upside, baby. Boom! We're gonna make some money, Mimo. Let's go, baby.
So where should I put this stop loss? 10%?
All right, so let's see where we're at right now. We are currently up 10% right now already. So let me take a look at the order book here. Let's see where we have buy orders at. A lot of buy orders currently at 718. Uh, man, I just don't want to get kicked the fuck out if it wicks down really quick.
Mm-hmm.
But I obviously don't want this to be a loser neither. I think the right move here is to so let's go ahead and drag stop loss. Drag your stop loss for now. Drag it down to 520.22. Do you remember how to do that on your chart?
Oh, okay. Oh,
Right near your positions. You see, yeah. Hit
yeah.
on TP stop loss.
Okay.
Okay. Drag your stop loss down to 522.
522.
Yeah, right there. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Let that go. Click it. Yep. Now drag your TP up. And right now, I want you to drag your TP up to, hold on one second. So drag your TP up to $8.50.
It
All right.
says,
So instead of trying to set it right now, what we'll do, let's just keep it on the screen. Let's wait until it gets unhalted. And then when it gets unhalted, I just want you to tap the fucking confirm button. That way you have your stop loss and TP set.
all right, all right,
Okay.
all right.
Right now, we're already up 10%. Big thing is we want to make sure this continues to be a winner. We don't want to lose money on this one at all.
Right.
Yeah, stop loss at 20%. Let me answer the boys in the chat. Currently, right now, we have 9,000 shares on the ask, or excuse me, on the bid at $7.50.
Mm-hmm.
And then we got some more buy orders at $8. Most of the selling is coming in at $7.19. We still got more buying than selling right now. So right now, from looking at the order too, we should open up somewhere near 750.
Okay.
Right. And it got halted at 10:02. So if it's a 5-minute halt, it's going to open up here in the next minute. If not, it's going to open up. In as a 10-minute halt, which would be 10:12. So Osama, when you put in a limit order, like let's say I put a limit order at $100, that just tells the broker that I'm willing to pay all the way up to $100. But no matter what, the broker is still going to try and fill you at the best possible price. So luckily, the brokers don't fuck us like that. So you could, like, I could have put a limit order at $100, and it still would have filled me at the best possible price. Does that make sense, Osama? Yeah. So whenever you need to get in on one of these halt specials like this, the best way to make sure that you get filled right after the unhalt is to just put in a high limit order. No, it's not going to let you put in the stop loss and take profit when it's halted. But after it unhalts, what you can do is like what Peter has on the screen right here. Just has the stop loss and take profit set, and then it unhalted. Click confirm.
Yep. Oh.
It got fucking halted down.
Yeah.
But that's all right. You got your stop loss and your take profit set.
All right. All right.
Oh no.
Bring up.
It's still going. What
Yeah.
the fuck? Okay, come on, baby. Come on, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's fucking go. Fucking let's go, boy.
Ah, shit, man.
I need to calm down. I'm gonna fucking wake the baby up. I'm gonna fucking wake the baby up. I bet my wife in there is like, what the fuck? I know, bro. I'm gonna wake her up. All right, we should be up 21% in this position right now. Let's take a look at the level 2 here, see what we're looking like. Got a lot of buying currently at 792, so right at the close. There's way more buying than there is selling right now on the level 2, so we're still looking pretty fucking good.
But it's good that you said.
Yeah, I mean, for you right now, brother, we're already up 21% right now. Again, I would want to lock in at least 10% profits, right? We got to get you back in the green. So I think for you, stop loss at $7.22 is going to put you at a 10% win. Let's just go ahead and lock that in, brother. And if we can catch more, then great. If not, we at least get the 10% win.
7 what?
722 should put you at a 10% win.
22. All right.
All right. So what you're going to want to do is take that stop loss down there.
And drag it down?
No, take that stop loss and drag it up to 722. No. That's your take profit, brother. Don't move that take profit. Actually, what we want to do is we want to move that take profit. We want to move that take profit.
Right. Wait.
Just let it go. Just let it go.
Cancel. Oh. Wait.
Pete, you be killing me with that. Wait. We're fucking wait.
There we go. There. Right there.
Perfect, brother. Perfect. We're locked in. We're locked in on a 10% win no matter what now. All right.
All right.
Now take that take profit. Let's take that take profit and let's drag that up a little bit higher.
Okay.
Let's go ahead and just put it up. Let's put it at let me take a look at the order too real quick. Order book. We got a lot of buying at 815. We got a lot of buying at $8, $7.92. Where do we have to take profit at right now? We got it at $8.72. Let's just put it at $9 even. I think $9 even is going to put you right at like a 40% win. Let me do the math real quick. Actually, let me do the math. Put the take profit at 919, brother.
919.
That's perfect. All right. If it hits that, we're in for a 40% win, baby. If not, if it hits stop loss, no matter what, you get a 10% win. Can't lose on it.
All right. Perfect.
Now, keep in mind, brother, these fucking halts, they fucking move fast. There's a very good chance that you could get kicked out in this scenario. If you were green, like if you had been executing perfectly and we were up for the week, this would be one of those situations where I would keep my stop loss at like, 20% and just like let this bitch ride to try and catch more of it. But being that we're not green right now, I want you bare minimum to lock in profits. We can't let this turn into a losing trade at this point for where you're currently at. Once we get you green consistently, this is going to be one of those situations where we keep the stop loss at 20% and we really give this thing room to breathe. Because on these halts, they move up and down very quick. So just keep in mind here, if I had to give this a chance of probability, there's probably about a 60 to 70% chance that you're going to get kicked out of this trade at 10%. Right? So let's just keep that in mind. Probably going to get kicked out at 10%. If we get 40%, then of course that's great. But we're probably going to get 10%. Okay.
All right.
We got 26,000 fucking shares on the bid at 792. It looks like Well, the first time we're gonna open up right where the fucking thing closed, which is right at 7.92. So we're probably gonna open up very close to 7.92 up to $8. And it's 10:08 right now. Motherfuckers. Dude, this fucking time. I'm on a different time frame than EST. My fucking broker is in EST and it keeps throwing me off. Anyway, it should unhalt here any second if it's going to be a 5-minute halt.
All right, all right. There.
Oh, did it hit your fucking stop loss?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, fuck. That sucks. It literally went down and fucking tapped your stop loss. That is
Right.
so gay. That's all right. We locked in 10%. We locked in a win, man.
Right. Right.
And I'm okay with the way you played that. It is what
Right.
it is. Because
Not,
now this thing is taking a shit
not a problem.
and it just got halted down.
Yeah.
And that's not a good sign, right? We wanted this thing to ultimately keep going. Now it could definitely bounce from here, but ultimately, like you did the right thing by having your stop loss at that 10%, right? Because for where you're at right now in your trading, we just got to get green trades. All right.
Right. Right.
All right, brother. That
Yeah.
was that was the trade that you should have taken today. You just executed that perfectly. We're getting really close to our 11 a.m. cutoff time. I don't see too much else outside of this right now that looks that great. This is one of those situations, bro. Like, I gotta hop on calls here, so I gotta hop off.
All right.
Don't fucking trade no more for the rest of the day, bro.
Yeah.
Take
Yeah,
it.
I'm not. I'm done today.
All right, close that laptop. Don't you be taking no crazy ass trades going to after hours. All right, take this green day. It's going to be a small green day, and then
Yeah.
let's just practice on the consistency of only taking these setups. All right, this is going to be step one. If we can get consistent with this first setup, I'm going to start showing and teaching you the second, the third one, and the fourth one. But we got to be disciplined on this one first. Okay.
All right.
All right, brother.
Yeah. Thank you,
Um,
bro. Thank you.
peace. Have a great day, man.
Yeah.